been friends since 1995. Growing up, same street, you, me, my ride or die. All the years it would grow us.
People walk on, they don't know say it's a boy Shawn again, you see me? I'm just going to go on like a quick view of Shawn cooking, you see me? Cooking some rice and chicken, but that's the menu today, you see me? So, I'm showing you what go on and look what go on. You see me? Make sure you subscribe, like, share, subscribe and comment. Make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment. You see me guys? Yeah guys, so just do the right thing. I'm going to show you what go on in the kitchen right now, you see me? Just touch this Shawn over there so you know. Shawn should chef up some DD there so. Chef up something in the kitchen. Chef up something in the kitchen, Shawn chef up some island bone and some rice. Yeah, said we. You see me? Can't put the artist where you can't reach it in the guys. You see me? Can't buy oxygen and tomorrow morning you're dead for hungry. You see the person you have to buy what your money can buy. Oh my son, so see the seasoning there, all this. That's how that. A papa that.
Yeah, don't say that's papa I going to meet.
How you mean? Where you come from? Yeah, see the Shawn seasoning the guys, you see me? Yeah. Yeah peeps. Nice and thing, you see me?
A tomato, papa.
A tomato. Shawn island bone. Island bone, you see me guys? Yeah. So chicken button nice, you know guys. I'm telling you about chicken back here so when it cook good. Nice. Shawn just done wash our rice. Nice. So like the fire now?
So I like the fire, can't wait.
Like the fire. I don't want to. Light up the fire. Whoa. Fire up it. Fire up the stove. Shawn is doing the light. Go look. Say faster now. Ah.
Like this when you can't buy oil, don't put a chicken back.
Yeah, when you can't buy oil, I'm afraid the chicken back to get little oil, isn't it? Chicken fat to get little oil.
Yeah, then add life here we have to go through.
That's the life going on. I'm to you, Shawn, man. Part of life, you know, everything a part of life, you know. So, I show you the video him a go on. Watch him look, watch him. Watch him. What did you watch? Yes, watch her study the rice, you know. Watch her study the rice.
What kind of study rice you talk about, Shawn?
So Shawn, how much oil you get? What's them 4 fat then? I chicken butt, see that? Shawn season for meat and guys. Wow. Chef, you know, Chef Campbell.
Yeah, Chef Campbell.
Yeah.
Yeah, Chef.
Shawn chef of anything. So Shawn just put on her Maggi season upon the meat, you see me? Maggi all purpose. You see me? Maggi all purpose. You see me? So she take out them because she don't want them burn up too much, you see me? Yeah. Come on to oil guys. No file that no? Wow, no file that. Alright, do you want now, no? She put on tomato, she wash her, oh my god. She wash them off.
What me I wash off, Shawn?
Tomato, ketchup.
And Jamaican come from about tomato.
Tomato straight up. Shawn cut them up. Yeah. Sweet pepper. Shall wash out the sweet pepper. Look how you season up for meat. Because you cook nice
Guys,
chicken.
you know you don't want to catch corona, so.
You wash
And
out.
when you wash it before you cut it, you have to wash it again.
Corona. You afraid of corona?
Huh?
Afraid of corona?
Yeah, afraid of corona. I got my fear.
Alright. Only man me. Damn, you sweat like Branagh.
What you call Branagh?
Them hug. You know a hug like Manag means. You ever see them sweat it?
A man pig.
A man pig or whatsoever.
Or hog. The chat body?
Me clear down and you know how you expect. You expect better. Yes, Shawn you have snow looking nice. So Shawn wash off him skelly and them. You know, you put the garlic. She done you know. Don't wash them off.
Up in there. Then me go add the garlic. Then me add the
pepper. Then she have the add the sugar.
Add the
Can
see
cook
the sugar, guys?
Sugar.
So you're not browning.
It use it a burn. People must know that. It a burn and make your browning nice.
Don't know. Americans and some English don't know that. You burn the sugar to get that brownish color. So when you put the meat in the pot, I'm not gonna say how I'm gonna do it still, because I can't afford browning.
Burning too dear. Carry money that.
Carry money. You can't talk some foolishness, eh?
Yes, so she wash off skillion the time you know.
It looks like skillion.
Sweeps up the pot. You see me? Shawn your pot sweet. Meat smell like you eat it now and you don't cook it. Well, Shawn a pot pretty man. Wow. Looking
Nice.
good. Knife don't like me. Tough someone. Shawn have your tear it. Yeah, peeps are looking good.
So guys, see pepper here?
Scratch bunny. You see me? Just won't get it. Yes, so Shawn add some salt to it, you see me?
Guys, you don't want too much salt because 3 Maggi.
Yeah, Maggi already salt, so you don't want too much salt. The salt of the thing. So you don't bust the pepper, Shawn. No, you don't taste nothing in it.
Of course, I see.
Good.
A chicken that?
Chicken, so I want a part of chicken. Chicken back, the back part, the island bone.
I get a steak. This is what you call ghetto steak. Island bone.
Island bone.
Yeah. So guys, as you can see, my chicken well seasoning.
Yeah, so she a clean up her ear, isn't which part she a cook. Shawn is a girl that cook on dirty place, you know. She a place of clean. You see me? And so people for cook. Enough cook in a dirty surrounding. You can eat from Shawn. Shawn is a well cooker. You see me? Shawn is a chef. So make sure say like this video, subscribe, comment and share this video, you see me? So Shawn she gonna add the sugar in the pot, you know. to brown
Yeah,
it.
guys, I'm telling you, when you can't afford to buy the oil,
Buy the oil and use the fat.
you use the fat.
For the chicken
Some
back
people
or the
dash
chicken.
the fat, but me not dash it because it have
It's
to
useful.
cook up.
It's useful.
Very useful.
Yeah, so she add some sugar. You know, that's if it burn. Yeah.
So guys, as soon as it start burning, I'm going to see. So we're going to pause the video for a minute, so when it start burning, I'm going to see it.
Yeah, peeps, it start burning now, you see me? It start burning now. So I have to burn about 2 more minutes or 10 more seconds. You see me? It will burn. Chef Campbell, you see me?
Sean.
Chef Campbell, I did the months. Looking at the camera and say hi to the camera.
Sean, you can blind me?
Yeah. So, make it a burn a little. You see me? Remember, all who can't buy brownie, use sugar. Don't put the artist where you can't reach it. Don't buy steak and you know see another money for tomorrow. So,
Yeah, buy where your money, use where your money can.
Can buy. Buy where your money can buy. Don't put it out. We get down there so and I tell somebody to pass it, you know, on a good style that. Yes, you know, get. Yeah. So you could get the steak, isn't it? You can get the steak nice. You like to see brown? Now have to buy a brown in. Yeah. And when you put the sugar for your meat, guys, the more taste more better than the brown. Alright?
Nice.
You have a nicer taste than the brown. Let me show you. Well, bubble rice a bubble, bubble rice a bubble.
So yeah guys, so we are going to cover it down, let it go on.
Simmer down. So,
we'll fetch up back when it's open back the pot again.
guys, so Shawn over this I keep some water put in the pot, isn't it? Yeah. So it smells nice already guys and not done cook yet. Belly is a roll.
Comment down below who wants some.
Yeah, comment down below. You see that? Nice. Wow. Looking good.
Guys, just when you're not brown in your so you can use.
Yeah.
What you guys can use.
Use some.
I want to get a mile pretty. You saw that pretty?
Yeah. You see that? Are it pretty? Lord God. You see that meat?
To lick your hands. You saw that pretty guys?
Nice. You see me?
So you let this go and cook.
And simmer down.
Smell nice. You know when I smell it through the phone, but
Yeah man. Yeah man.
life.
You know I say it.
Come look on the rice.
Rice look like you don't put it on Dunnings.
Rice are simmer down guys.
Rice a dry out. Wow. Looking good.
I don't know for you.
Hey guys, so we just get few minutes, you see me? If you simmer down, so Shawn, I take a look back on it. Wow.
That one good guys. Don't look on it.
Smell sweet, don't? You smell it?
When I smell it,
Comment down below if you not smell it.
tell me if you not smell it. Chicken back are the nicest thing. Get a steak.
Nicest thing.
Nicest thing. See?
Big up yourself.
Y'all watch this? Candy. You should have you not forget some of this. Nice
Get a steak.
chicken back. Favorite.
Rice, you see me? supposed to done now. What? Wait till we can't see nothing, guys. Look back on it. Wow. Look delicious.
So guys, as soon as it's finished,
Shawn will go and
share the food and show you how nice the meat look. Remember to use your sugar whenever you can't afford to buy
sugar.
the browning.
Buy the browning. Hey guys, and remember to watch out the video, guys. You see me? Get us to 1,000 subscribers. And you see me? Yeah. This is the result of the chicken back. You get what I'm saying? Yeah guys, this is the result. And the rice, white rice, looking nice. So guys, I'm gonna go share now. So this is the result, you see me? I'm a chicken back and white rice, guys. Now see what I want? Yeah, this is the result, guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment. You see me? Yeah, guys. It look nice, guys. Lovely. Taste, smell good. I'm not taste it as yet, guys. But make sure to like this video, guys. Comment down below what you think about this video, guys. And continue to stay with us, guys. We love you all. Peace. I'm out.